viewers and my beloved guys. Hope you are feeling very nice and jolly moments because you are connected with Shohag's online English tutorial, and Shohag sir is always determined to develop your skill, and already I have given your huge support, and you are watching a lot of videos performed by my students, and you will be rather about to hear it that only the students of class 8 little kids are performing excellent dialogues, and they will help you to improve your skill, and you know that English will be so much helpful for increase your smartness, and for this reason today I am before you taking a significant dialogue, and this dialogue will be performed by my two beloved students of class 8, Koli and Shammi Akhtar, and at first I would like to request themselves before you. At first, Koli, come here and introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Koli Widi. I'm a student of Falda SM Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's all about me.
Assalamualaikum. Hope you are funny and dandy by the grace of Almighty. First of all, I would like to introduce myself before you. This is Shamia Akhtar with you. I'm a student of Polda Eastern Girls High School. I read in class 8. That's all about me.
Hi Shammi, what about you?
I'm not fine. And what about you?
I'm excellent and jolly.
Actually, I always feel weakness.
I have understood it. It means you do not follow the rules of keeping good health. Do you know?
What is good health and what is important does it carry?
Good health refers sound mind in a sound body. It actually depends on some rules and regulations.
Please clear me about that.
Nice. First, you should take balanced diet, and secondly, you should maintain cleanliness. Finally, you should go to bed early and rise early.
You are right. I am not habituated to take physical exercise. Can you tell me something more about balanced diet?
Sure, why not? Balanced diet means right food in right proportion, enriched with all nutrition and vitamins.
Thanks for your excellent suggestion. Bye, Kholi.
Bye, Shami.